Alrighty guys, I think I caught it. I think I'm finally able to duplicate it. Look at this. I see that? Oh, I see what's going on. So anytime you hear the chiming, the bus network is up. But if not, okay. This is an intermittent no crank. All right, I see what's going on. There's a problem with this key. See that? Y'all see that? Sometimes it starts, sometimes it won't. It don't matter how long you hold it. See that? I'm holding it in the crank position. No cranking. Yeah, I know what's wrong with it, man. Y'all stay tuned for the full video. Ooh, welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Y'all remember the one that was told in? I needed a skim and a key. Well, I've already done those videos on this, but I'm unable to do a shorts video as far as the repair go. In fact, I'm still not going to be able to fully repair it out here. As you can see, when I mean by out here, I'm still outside. And guys, I do not want to push or tow or pull this big old truck into the shop when I can simply do what I need to do right here. Now, it's fairly simple. I didn't know it was this easy, guys. I have gained access to the skim module, which is right here, just by merely dropping this little panel right here. So what I've decided to do was simple. I didn't bring my what does that look like, a T20, T15? I didn't bring my torque bits out here. So what I'm gonna do is merely just unplug it. All right, so I got it unplugged right here. Now what I'm gonna do is grab my new skim module and simply plug it in. And I'm gonna do most of the programming out here, guys. And so I'll be able to drive into the shop and in essence complete the job. Okay, so now I have my new key right here, just fresh out of the bag, guys. What I'm gonna do is, yeah, I'm gonna put it in here. It's not gonna do anything because it's not programmed, but I will have to get off of my phone and perform these tasks. Guys, what you need to, well, let me see something. Oh, don't get no crank, okay? You get ignition. All right, in fact, when you're programming the key, it wants you to turn the ignition off. So that's pretty neat. It has this advantage doing it that way. So what I need to do now is get off my phone so I can program this wireless control module to the PCM. Okay, remember, they have to be on the same page, same security code. And from there, I need to program this key to this wireless control module. All right, that will then and only then allow for cranking, which should allow for starting after that point. All right, guys, for the record, you will need your security passcode, okay, depending on the year, depending on how new it is. Some of them are rolling skim codes, meaning they only have a certain time to which they are alive, and some of them are just regular skim code. Where do you get it from? You got to go to Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge parts department, okay? You got to show proof of ownership. I'm thinking that's it. And once you do that, I don't think it's no charge, but I mean, I would think you're entitled to your own security code to your car, right? Okay. Well, I have the one for this car, so what I'm about to do is program it. So, guys, I'm gonna get off my phone for a hot second. I'll be right back, guys. This is just temporary. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. I'll screenshot. I'll be right back. Alrighty, guys, I'm back. Y'all saw that program ignition fobic keys was successful, right along with this module here, skim RFH hub module successful. Now, see if the car will start. See, like I told you, it had me to do all this while the ignition was off. All right, here we go. Hey, starts, guys. Good, because I did not want to push this thing in the shop. All right, so guys, from here, like I say, all I'm gonna do is pull everything back into place. This is fairly easy, T20. I don't know, somebody might want to see this, so I guess I'll show it. And it's real easy, guys. Bzz, 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 bzz. come out and then put the panel back on and erase some of the erroneous codes that may have been set. All right, so but I got to get it in the shop and do my preliminary inspection. The car hasn't never made it in the shop. See, there's a couple of lights on. I need to diagnose all that. I don't know if I triggered them or not. The only way I'm going to know is when I get it in the shop. So how about we do this, guys? How about let's get it in the shop, right? Right. All right. Oh, wow. This thing finally moving. I had to wait 3 days. Look at this, guys. Rotary shifter. You know what that means? It's likely a ZF 8 HP transmission in this car. Now I showed y'all, I'm gonna show y'all again on this one, where the emergency shift override. Anytime you have a digital rotary shifter, guys, think about this for a second. I know I'm getting off subject. Digital rotary shifter, meaning there has to be some 12 volts. There had to be some voltage and ground going to this. Now, in the event your battery dead, right? You have no voltage and ground. So how do you get your car into neutral if you in the event you're in an emergency? Because remember, battery dead, battery gone, you can't do none of this. There is a shift neutral safety override feature on just about, I want to say it's the law. I think it is possibly, if it's not the law, it should be the law. Car makers should give you a way to put your car in the neutral instead of going this route, because like I say, your battery could be dead. All right, so I'm gonna show you the shift override on this particular car. What is this? This is I don't know what year this is, but it's a Ram 1500. I'm gonna show you what a shift override is. It's likely has the fully electronically controlled transmission, 8 HP. But all right, guys, I'm driving. Hey, I didn't have to push it. I dodged needing the pusher. So stay tuned, man. Don't go anywhere. We're gonna complete this job, complete this video. I'll be right back.